Welcome to Color Spectrum Guide, your go-to spot for color inspiration. From paint to fashion, we help you master the power of color. Subscribe for more vibrant ideas. Have you ever wondered why fast food restaurants use so much red in their logos, or why spas often feature calming shades of blue? Colors are more than just decoration. They influence your emotions, behavior, and even appetite. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of color psychology to uncover why red makes you hungry and blue makes you calm. The power of red. Red is a high-energy color. It grabs attention, increases your heart rate, and stimulates appetite. This is why restaurants often use red. It makes you crave food and feel a sense of urgency to order. Red also taps into primal instincts, signaling alertness and passion. The serenity of blue. Blue, on the other hand, has the opposite effect. It lowers blood pressure, slows breathing, and creates a sense of calm. Blue is often associated with trust, stability, and peace, which is why you'll see it in healthcare settings and bedrooms. Interestingly, blue also suppresses appetite, which is why it's rarely used in food advertising. How colors shape our world. Color psychology is everywhere, from marketing and design to how we experience the world. Understanding these effects can help you make better choices, whether you're picking paint for your home or designing a brand logo. So next time you see red or blue, think about how it's subtly shaping your mood and decisions. Thanks for watching Color Spectrum Guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more colorful ideas. See you in the next one.